Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Silvercrest kitchen tool electric grinder for shredding, slicing and grinding easily. We can see we've got 5-in-1 with 5 stainless steel drums for a variety of uses. 150 watts, 5-in-1, rust free stainless steel, 3 years warranty. You can see some pictures what you can do with this. Of course, we are going to try it to see how it works, and let's open it to see what we have inside. Inside we've got a manual. If you want to read it your choice, stay with me, we're going to find out all about that. Some accessories. There's the tool. We've got the stainless steel drums, one by one. We've got the green, it is a round cutting cylinder. We've got the yellow, it is a fine cutting cylinder. The blue, it is a grinding cylinder. The red is a round shredding cylinder. Orange, it is a fine shredding cylinder. We've got the start button on off. You can push it and work. Here is a storage compartment with a cover. This is the feed chat and the pusher. To install that is very easy to the unit. You can see unlock and lock. But before doing that, you need to choose what cylinder you want to use. It's very easy, just push it inside and it will lock. Then go here. And it locks. And you can slide this. It is a compartment that you can put these cylinders. And let's find out how it works. Well, there we are. And first I'm going to try the raw cutting cylinder. And we've got some potatoes, carrots, onions, cucumber and a cabbage. I will try the cucumber first. It's very easy. Just take it and nice. Tasty and healthy. Of course, you can use this yellow fine cutting cylinder. It depends how much thickness you want to be the cucumber. Next, I'm going to use it on the carrot. And again, you can see. Now next I'm going to change that. Just take it out. And I will use the yellow one. To cutting some onions. And again, you need to consider yourself what thickness you want. You can use the green. Next, for the carrot, I will be using the red, the raw shredding cylinder. Nice. Small piece of carrots. Now next I will go again to the green one. You can see how thin is the slice of the potatoes. Now for the cabbage, I will use the green. Nice. And just for the record, the blue and it is more suitable for cheese. Well guys, what do you think about that? I think it's a great kitchen tool. It costs about 25 euros and I'm sure it can do the job, as you can see. And if you need something like that to your kitchen, well, just buy it. For me, it's thumbs up, great kitchen tool. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you know the community, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.